Imagine putting $10 somewhere today and watching it quietly grow for years. No hype, no trading, no risky bets involved. Just a system most people completely ignore. By the end of this video, you'll understand why beginners either build wealth or stay stuck. The rules of money are changing fast, but the fundamentals still stay surprisingly simple. In 2026, tools are easier than ever, yet most people still feel completely lost. Not because investing is too complicated, but because no one explains it clearly. So let's break it down step by step in the simplest way possible today. Before anything else, get your basics under control because unstable money leads to bad decisions. High interest debt drains your future silently, so removing it should come first always. Then build a small safety cushion for yourself, something that protects you from sudden surprises. Even a few months of basic expenses saved can completely change how you handle stress. When you feel secure, your decisions improve and investing becomes much more rational. A lot of people wait for the perfect moment or think they need large money to begin. But investing rewards action, not perfect timing. Even small amounts can create powerful momentum. $5 or $10 may seem insignificant today, but repeated over time, it becomes meaningful. Small, consistent steps build confidence and discipline, which matter more than early financial results. What really matters is building the habit, because consistency beats intensity every single time. You don't need to outsmart the entire market. You just need to move with it. Index funds follow the market over time and remove the stress of constant decisions. ETFs give you instant diversification easily without needing deep financial knowledge. They spread your risk across many companies instead of depending on just one outcome. Instead of chasing fast profits or trends, focus on systems that already proved reliable. Growth becomes powerful when it builds on itself. That's where real wealth actually starts forming. At first, progress feels almost invisible, then suddenly, everything starts accelerating. Reinvesting your gains increases future growth potential and creates a powerful, long-term snowball effect. Time plays a bigger role than money here, and starting early makes a massive difference. Markets will rise and fall constantly. That's simply how the system works. What really affects your results long term is how you react during those moments. Many beginners panic when prices drop suddenly and feel overconfident when everything goes up. This emotional cycle leads to poor timing decisions and often reduces long-term investment performance. But experienced investors stay steady and focused. They follow plans instead of emotional reactions. Investing is not a one-time skill. It evolves as the world keeps changing. The more you understand what you are doing, the more confident your decisions become. Avoid random advice and empty online noise. Focus on learning real, useful principles. Reading, observing, and reflecting improves your strategy and helps you avoid repeating common mistakes. Over time, clarity replaces confusion completely, and your strategy becomes stronger and smarter. Starting matters more than starting perfectly, and waiting often costs more than mistakes. The opportunity isn't hidden somewhere far away. It's already available to you right now. Small actions today shape your future results, even if they don't feel important yet. If this gave you a clearer direction today, then you're already moving ahead of many. Take the first step and stay consistent. That's how real progress actually begins. If you found this video insightful, like the video, subscribe for more deep dive financial content, and comment below.